Hey students, welcome to our new paddle. I'm going to keep our information, our videos, our worksheet, everything here. I will also upload them to Pronote, so you will have access to both sides to everything, every single material that we use in class. But it is also important that you have a place like this where everything is organized. Yes? I am also going to be sending you videos to explain what you have to do class to class. So in case you can't hear me in the classroom or you can't see me very well because connection is not the best, you have these videos that will explain what you have to do. Okay? So this week, with some of you, we're going to be checking verb to be. I am, you are, he is, it is, we are, etc. Right? I'm going to explain verb to be real briefly, and then we're going to work on a simple worksheet. Yes? So, verb to be has three forms: am, is, and are. We use am for I am. Right? We use is for third person singular. That is, he is, she is, it is. And we use are for all of the rest. So you are, they are, we are, you are, in plural, right? So plurals and you go use are. So let's check examples and you're going to tell me the answer. Let's see. I, Harry Potter. I am Harry Potter. I is Harry Potter, or I are Harry Potter. What do you think? I am Harry Potter. Sorry. I am, right? She is Hermione, right? She is Hermione. He, Dumbledore. He am, he is, or he are. He is Dumbledore. He is Dumbledore. They are plural, right? 1, 2, 3. They are friends. They are friends. You are my love. You are my love, right? We are very happy. We are very, very happy. It is, he, she, or it is my computer. It is used for animals and for things or objects, right? This is a computer, so it is a computer. And it is followed by is. It is my computer. Now, you can also do questions. You can also come up with questions, right? For questions, we're just going to invert the order. We're going to change the order. So if for a sentence, we would say, Kate is sad. For a question, we're going to do, is Kate sad? So focus. Kate is sad. Is Kate sad? We just change the order like this. We start with verb to be, we continue with the pronoun or the subject, and we finish with the complement. And that's a question. Question, right? Let's try some examples with questions, okay? Am it a computer? Is it my computer? Are it my computer? What do you think? Is it my computer? And the possible answers, is it my computer? Yes, it is. It's your computer. Or no, it isn't. It isn't your computer, it's my computer, right? Those are the possible answers. Are we happy today? Are we happy today? Yes, we are. We're happy. Or no, we aren't. We're not happy. Are you my love? Are you my love? Are you my love? Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. Are they friends? Are they friends? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Is she Hermione? Is she Hermione? Is this Hermione? Yes, she is, you might say, or no, she isn't. Is he Harry Potter? Is this Harry Potter? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I am. Yes, I am happy. Is he sad? Is he sad? Yes, he is. Are they sad? Are they sad? No, they aren't. Are you English? No, I am not. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? No, he isn't. He is a dentist. Is it a bike? A bicycle? No, it isn't. It's a car. Right? Is it a book? Is this a book? No, it isn't. It is a notebook or a copybook, right? Is it a sweater? Yes, it is. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. Are you a dentist? Yes, I am. Right? Good. So when you're ready working with this, you can take notes in your notebook if you want to. You're going to be working on our worksheet here. Good. So I'm going to click there and you will have access to this PDF, or it's a Word document. You can also download it if you want to and have it in your computer or work on it. So let's see. Here we have my email. You can send it to my email or you can send it to Pronote. I prefer Pronote, okay? Be great. Yes. And here it says, rewrite the sentences by using is, isn't, am not, right? So, London aren't a country? Incorrect. London isn't a country. The United States aren't a city? Incorrect. The United States isn't a city, right? An elephant, I'm not a small animal. Elephant is it. So the elephant is not a small animal. English and Turkish isn't sister languages. English and Turkish are two. So the subject there, the pronoun there is they. They aren't. So English and Turkish aren't sister languages. Mercedes isn't a bike, not aren't. Mercedes, it isn't a bike. Is I a student? Am I? Am I a student? Am I a student? Am I a teacher? Am I a doctor? Mrs. Stewart aren't a poor woman. Mrs. Stewart isn't a poor woman. Cigarettes aren't good for people. The North Pole is not hot. And Simon is from the United Kingdom, right? So you do them on your own. Then we're going to complete this text. So it says, hello, my name is Jack and this is Sue. She, blah, 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 my sister. Sue, blah, 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 12 years old. And I, blah, 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 16. We, adults. Are they adults? We, students. We, Canadians. No, we, Americans. We, from Chicago. Chicago in the United States. Best regards, Jack. Right? So you have to complete. And then we have to do these sentences here. So for example, you have this data and then you come up with a complete sentence. Chris, 9, student, short, not Chinese. So you turn this into a whole sentence. So we go, Chris is 9 years old. He is a student. He is short. He isn't Chinese, right? And then you have number 1, 2, and 3, and 4, I think, and 4 and 5. And then in the end, we're going to build up sentences. So Mike, drummer, Mike, and then we have the negative sign there. So that means no, right? So Mike isn't a drummer. Drummer, not runner. Charlie and Chris, policemen. And it has this positive sign. So Charlie and Chris are policemen. Danny and Brick, singers, and we have the negative sign. And so on and so forth. Good. I hope you find this video useful. And hope to see your work soon in Pronote or in my emails. See you next class. Take care and bye-bye.